Okay, I'd like to introduce Dick Olson. He's the attorney for the estate. He's going to come up here.
Nope.
He's been happy to help us get all the paperwork done. We appreciate his help. This is Dick Olson right here. My name's Craig Wilcox. I'm the auctioneer along with my son Brett. This is Penny Vincent, realtor. Shelley Falcone, realtor. We're going to sell parcel number 1 first. Parcel number 1 is the house parcel. Property sells in as-is condition without the acceptance of any contingencies. Included in the sale are the refrigerator, propane stove, washer, dryer, remaining contents of the auction. Property transfers with an executor's deed. Closing in possession to be on or about March 6, 2020. The property sells to the highest bidder. A 10% buyer's premium will be added to the top bid on all 3 parcels. Upon acceptance of the highest bid, a deposit of $10,000 is required for each of the 3 parcels. Terms are all cash at time of closing. Bidding and conduct of the sale at the discretion of the auctioneer. Harris Wilcox Incorporated and all their agents or employees are acting as an agent for the seller. We reserve the right to take recesses if we decide we want to, for as long as we want to. Okay, so parcel number 1 is first. Parcel number 1 is 260 Lyle Street. It's a circa 1845 4-bedroom farmhouse sitting on a hill with 2.6 acres and some nice barns right on the Erie Canal. All right, who $150,000 for it? Who go 100? How about 50,000? Get this bid. Who wants to be at 60? I have 50 in the middle. 60, 70, 80,000. 80, thank you. $90,000. 90, 80's bid. I need 90. $90,000 bid. 80 bidding at 90, 90 bidding at 90, 100, 100,000, 90's bid. How about 95? 95, 100, 100,000, 100,000, thank you, 15, 15, 100's bid bidding at 15, 110, 115, 115,000, 120, 125, 130. 135, 135,000.
You're both up. Yes,
135, 140, 140,000. 135's bid, 140. 140, 145. 140's bid, 145,000.
145.
145.
Is she in already?
145, thank you. 150. 150, thank you. 155. Thank you. 160. 160,000. Okay, recess at 155.
Right here.
Yep.
543.
Okay, it's not sold. We're just having a little recess.
Huh?
Yeah, we're selling the
We're
house.
gonna make sure she knows.
That's right.
She's
155's
paying
bid.
155 plus the 10% buyer's premium, that she understands what she's doing before we sell it. That's your reassurance to know that we're checking everyone to make sure they're good. And Penny gave a thumbs up, so that means she's good.
Okay, we got a good bidder at 155. We're going to sell the property unless anybody else bids. 155's bid. 160. 160. Anybody else?
160.
160. Give me a yes or no.
Yes.
160. Okay, they got 160. What do you get? 161. Thank you. 162, Brad. Stay right there, Brad. Get me 162. 162,000. 162. 161's bid. 162,000.
No, sir.
So 161,000. Let's give this couple of nice hands. Right there. You got it. 161,000.
You got it.
Come on up and sign the map.
She's like, what?
Okay, now we're going to do parcel 2 and parcel 3. We're going to sell them so much an acre. So much an acre times whatever the high bid is plus 10%. The high bidder gets to take either parcel 2 or parcel 3, or they can take both parcels. The same dollar per acre bid. Parcel 2 and parcel 3. It is not. We're selling it as is. Okay, all right. Parcel 2, parcel 3. High bidder can take either one they want or take them both. So much per acre. So much per acre. Then when you get done, we'll have you come up here and sign this so that you acknowledge which parcel you're buying or taking them both. Okay, who gives 5,000 an acre? 500's bid. Who gives 750? 750 per acre. 750. 5's bid. 750. Thank you. $1,000. $1,000. $1,000. $1,000 bid.
Yes.
10. 1250.
Yep.
1,500.
Yep.
1,750.
Yep.
$2,000.
Yep.
2,250.
Yes.
2,500.
Yep.
2,750.
Yes.
$3,000.
Yep.
3,250.
Yep.
3,500.
Yep.
3,750.
Yep.
$4,000.
Yes.
4,250.
Yes.
4,500.
Yep.
4,750. 4,750. We're bid 4,500.
Yes. Yes.
4,750. $5,000.
5,000. Yes.
5,250.
Yep.
5,500.
Yep.
5,750.
Yes.
$6,000.
Yep.
6,250 per acre. 6,250. Recess at 6,000, right there.
Straight back.
It's not sold, just a recess.
Come back. Little time.
Okay, people understand exactly what we're doing. We got a good bidder. We bid 6,000, 6,250 prep.
62 and a half. You can bid now.
There's no friends at auction. Who's like looking?
6,250,
Yep, yep.
thank you. 6,500. Thank you. 6,750. Right,
Yep.
6,750.
You okay?
7 grand. 7,000. Yes. 7,250. 7,250. 7,250 per acre. Every 26 years we get to do this, so if you miss it, don't worry, you can get it 20, something else like it in 26 years. 7,250. 7's bid. 7,250. Anybody else?
Yep.
7,250. 75. 7,500. Recess at 7,250.
His name's Chris. Chris Oaks.
He's done this a long time.
He's done that a long time.
You done? You good?
It's the,
Okay,
it's those
good.
guys, yeah.
Okay.
Another recess.
The guy standing up is out. You want to go 7,500 standing up?
Yep.
75, 77.50,
Chris? No.
77. We got 7,500 on the man that's already knows exactly what he's doing. Anybody else want to go 77.50? If you do, raise your hand. 77.50. 77.50. Anybody else?
What, he's gonna sell. You guys, time to bid right now.
77.50.
Hands up. Time's up. Yeah.
77.50. 8 grand.
One more time. Yep.
Yes. 82.50. $8,250 per acre.
He's done.
Sold 8,000 right there. Come on right up. Sign the man.
You want both of them or all?